Newcastle is a booming town, quickly earning its reputation into a city. With this, it has quickly adopted the idea of city, and residents have started to show careless behaviour towards their once beloved Newcastle. One of which is distinctively showcased in the public view: illegal dumping. Unlawful dumping of domestic and commercial waste is becoming ever more prevalent within the low socio-economic areas of Newcastle, with not much being done to prevent such occurrences. Data collected around the Newcastle area start to convey that illegal dumping is more common in those areas where people may not have transport, may not have enough money to dispose of properly, or just lack of care for their community and their environment. Unfortunately, this issue is not tackled as aggressively as it should be, and is leading to more occurrences. The council have only been dealing with the issue after the criminal act has been committed, and not addressing the root of the cause. The governing bodies around the control and clean-up of illegal dumping are the Regional Illegal Dumping Squad, formed by the EPA, the local council, private landowners and some members of the community. Although the government has implemented more harsh ramifications for those caught, there is not enough being done on the base level of the problem, the issue of low socio-economic areas being the main zones in which these crimes are committed. Illegal dumping extends beyond a visual disruption of our neighbourhood. It leaks toxins into our waterways and thus ending up in the ocean. Inevitably, this affects our defenceless ocean life, leading to a decline in numbers and breeding. Not only is there pieces of rubbish and other plastic debris leaking into our oceans, it is also toxins from things such as batteries, paints, oils and other disregarded household goods. These criminals care not for the legal ramifications imposed if they are caught, nor do they care of the environmental ramifications their actions will lead to. They care only of disposing their rubbish and feel entitled, due to their lack of funds, that they can dispose their waste where they choose. There needs to be more efforts into giving these people easier access to landfill sites, coupled with initiatives for the proper disposal of household and commercial waste, more education into the environmental ramifications their actions will have to help improve their morals and therefore start to tackle the issues at the roots. With a lack of community and council support, we felt obliged to enforce initiatives ourselves in a bid to improve the community, one less dumping site at a time. We took it upon ourselves to talk to local waste management facilities, trailer and car hire, skip bin companies and local council. We have managed to strike agreements for some initiatives for the low socio-economic areas to receive some support from these areas, some of which offer rebates for proper disposal of waste, others offering discounted rates for those in commission housing or those on allowance-based incomes. Other initiatives undertaken by our team are information packages to help widen the understanding of the effects of illegal dumping on the environment, and also the initiatives now in place to help dispose of waste correctly. With these initiatives in place, we feel much more assured this issue will slowly start to see a decline. It was the council's inability to approach the issue from the roots, educated populace, lack of care, and most notably the lack of funds and resources to dispose of waste legally.